Enabling two-factor authentication 2FA on your current 2026 account adds an extra layer of security. Follow these steps to set it up quickly and easily. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the current 2026 website or app and enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to Security Settings. Once logged in, locate the Settings menu, usually found in the Profile or Account section. Look for the option labeled Security or Security Settings. Step 3. Select two-factor authentication. In the Security Settings, find the option for two-factor authentication or 2FA. Click on it to begin the setup process. Step 4. Choose your authentication method. You will be prompted to select your preferred method for receiving the authentication code. Options may include SMS, email, or an authentication app. Choose one that suits you best. Step 5. Confirm and activate. Follow the on-screen instructions to verify your chosen method, usually by entering a code sent to you. Once verified, confirm the activation of two-factor authentication. By following these steps, you can enhance the security of your current 2026 account with two-factor authentication. Make sure to keep your authentication method secure and up to date.